Today, we're clearing up a common confusion. Is it mold or condensation? Knowing the difference is key to keeping your home healthy and comfortable. Let me show you how. Condensation happens when warm, moist air meets a cold surface, like this window. You'll see water droplets forming. This is normal, especially in colder months or after cooking or showering. Mold, on the other hand, looks like black, green, or even white patches that stick around and might smell musty. It thrives in damp, poorly ventilated areas and won't just disappear like condensation does. When you use a dehumidifier, it pulls moisture out of the air, helping reduce condensation. If moisture clears up and doesn't return, it's probably just condensation. But if the damp patches remain, even after drying and ventilation, it's likely mold. You need to act. Clean it properly and improve airflow to stop it from coming back. So remember, condensation is water droplets that come and go. Mold is stubborn, that stick around and can cause health problems if left untreated. Use a dehumidifier, open windows regularly, and keep your home well ventilated to prevent both. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more home tips. And leave a comment if you've battled mold or condensation. Stay dry, stay safe.